Okay, our class today will be from the writings of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, Khadimur Rasul, the servant of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Okay? Our class today will talk about the importance of seeking knowledge and the objectives we must set up in front of us when we seek knowledge. Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, in his book named Maghaliqun Niran wa Mafatihul Jinan, a book in Tasawwuf. Maghaliqun Niran, the lock of the doors of fire and the key of the doors of paradise. This is the name. Maghaliqun Niran wa Mafatihul Jinan. If you follow the teachings in this book, the doors of fire will be locked. If you follow the teachings of this book, the doors of paradise will be opened to you. Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba say, wal haqqu bad'ul abdi bit tawhidi wal fiqhi han tasawwufin majidi. The truth is that the servant starts with tawhid, with learning tawhid, monotheism, how to believe in Allah really, how to believe in angels really, how to believe in messengers, how to believe in the destiny, how to believe in the revealed books, how to believe really in the last day. Then Shaman Bama say, wal haqqu bad'ul abdi bit tawhidi. The truth is that the servant starts by learning firstly tawhid, wal fiqh, and then jurisprudence, Islam law, how to do practices, an tasawufin mujidi, and also Sufism. Mujid means which make things beautiful, because Sufism makes our deeds, our practices beautiful, free of any vices. Okay, and some Bamba is going on. Muntahijan madhhab ahli sunnah ma'al jama'ati wa tilkal junnah. Then he told in the first verse, the truth is that the servant starts by learning tawheed, and then fiqh, and then tasawwuf, muntahijan madhhab ahli sunnah, following the doctrine of Sunni. Sunni, that's thus in the period of the Prophet ﷺ, and after, they followed the sunnah, the pure sunnah. Thus are Ahlul Sunnah. Ma'al jama'ati wa tilkal junnah, with the consensus of scholars, pure scholars, al-ijma. And someone mama say, wa tilkal junnah, this is your protection, the learner. The disciple, this is your protection. Then, if Sohna Ruby ask me, what is my protection as a learner, as a disciple, is to learn first tawheed, fiqh, tasawwuf, follow the doctrine of Sunni with the consensus of pure scholars. فَسَارِعُوا لِلْعِلْمِ أَجْمَعِينَ لِوَجْهِ ذِي الْجَلَالِ قَاصِدِينَ. So, my disciple, so Muslims, hasten, rush to seek knowledge, aiming for the one sake of Allah, the possessor of majesty. qabla tasadduri, before taking the lead. Walinfiradi bin nafsi wal atba'i fi tamadi, before being alone with yourself and with followers. Seek true knowledge. Seek true knowledge in tawheed, in depths, in fiqh, in tasawwuf, by following the doctrine of Sunni with the consensus of the pure scholars. This is your protection before taking the lead, before being alone with yourself and with followers, with disciples. This is mandatory. This is an obligation. If you do the contrary, many distractions in front of you, many errors, many mistakes, many misguiding practices. فالعلم والعمل جوهران لخيري الدارين يجلبان. Knowledge, ilm, and practice. Because when we talk about ilm, knowledge is not useful unless you practice it. You seek knowledge and you don't practice it, it's not useful. Knowledge and practice are two jewels which lead you to the blessings of the two universe. وأشرف الأصلين علم قدم كما أتى به حديث قسما. Some say, as hadith said, the best of the two things, the most honorable one, is to start first by knowledge before practice. Because if you practice without knowledge, welcome to errors, to mistakes, to blames. That's why Shaman Bamba, as said in hadith, the most honorable one between knowledge and practice is to start by seeking knowledge. Is kullu amilin bila ilmin yura fasa'yuhu mislu haba'in nusra. Shaman Bamba say, because whoever practices without knowledge, his efforts are like scattered dust. Dust you can scatter. If you practice without knowledge, you worship, you practice, you're doing ibadah without any knowledge in tawheed, in fiqh, in tasawwuf, your efforts, your deeds are like scattered dust. ومن حوى علما وليس يعمل به فإنه حمار يحمل. Whoever seeks knowledge but doesn't practice it, he's like a donkey carrying books but not benefiting from what is in them. Someone who seeks knowledge but he doesn't practice what is in, he is likely as a donkey carrying books on its back but not benefiting from what is in them. Knowledge is sought to be practiced.